Imagine your brain as a superhighway, perfectly organized and moving vital information at incredible speeds. But what happens if a sudden, unexpected event disrupts this perfect flow? When a hemorrhagic stroke occurs, it directly damages brain cells primarily by two main mechanisms: the physical pressure from bleeding and the toxic effects of blood components on brain tissue. This sudden intrusion can lead to serious consequences, quickly impacting how the brain functions. The core reason behind this cellular damage is the uncontrolled bleeding within or around the brain. When a blood vessel ruptures, blood spills out and collects, forming a hematoma. This collection of blood acts as an expanding mass, pressing directly on delicate brain tissue and disrupting the intricate network of neurons. This pressure starves cells of oxygen and nutrients, as blood flow is reduced, and it can also cause direct physical injury, crushing brain cells and their connections. Furthermore, the blood itself, which is meant to stay within vessels, contains substances like iron and hemoglobin that become toxic to brain cells when exposed directly to them, leading to inflammation and cellular death. To understand the severity and scope of damage, medical professionals often use imaging techniques like a CT scan or an MRI scan to visualize the bleed. These scans help locate the rupture, estimate the volume of blood, and observe any swelling, which is also called edema. The location and size of the bleed are crucial factors, as different areas of the brain control different functions. A larger bleed, or one in a critical area, such as the brainstem, can lead to more widespread and severe deficits. An important insight is that brain cells are incredibly sensitive to their environment, and even small changes can have a big impact. The cascade of events following a hemorrhagic stroke, from initial pressure to inflammation, can lead to a secondary wave of injury hours or even days after the initial bleed. This phenomenon, known as secondary brain injury, underscores the importance of prompt medical intervention to minimize ongoing damage. Specialized medical teams work to control bleeding, reduce pressure, and manage inflammation to protect as many brain cells as possible. Understanding how hemorrhagic strokes inflict damage helps us appreciate the critical need for immediate medical attention and careful management. By controlling blood pressure, providing supportive care, and sometimes performing surgery to relieving pressure, healthcare providers aim to limit the initial devastation and mitigate subsequent damage. The faster treatment begins, the better the chances of preserving brain function and supporting the brain's incredible capacity for recovery and adaptation.